Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to unhide apps on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on password and security. From here, just scroll down and tap on privacy and app encryption. From here, just enter your security lock. Now, just tap on app hiding. From here, just disable view hidden apps. Now just scroll down and disable the toggle for the apps which you want to unhide. Now if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer, you will find the apps which you have unhidden. Just like that. And this is how you can unhide apps on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.